All right. Okay. I start recording. Yes. Thanks, Sherlon. All right. All right. This book basically teaching you, you know, it's available on we just call it the library, Traders Library on Telegram. I'll share the link for those who don't have it. All right. It's basically teaching you a lot about candlestick patterns, what is candlestick, the patterns, market structure, how to identify support resistance level, trend line to identify when the market is ranging. All right. Top-down analysis using different time frames to identify which direction the market will be moving in. You know, have different trading strategies. Well, my favorite, the engulfing candle. I like to trade that too bad. Well, I'll share the link for this, right? We won't go too much into this book right now, but they have a lot of information that can assist everyone with trading, with the trading issues now, right? Pull something. A little bit, man. The first time I'm doing this, and I really still trying to build confidence now, right? I want to go to support resistance and show all this on trend lines and things. Right? Trending market. Right? Market structure. Right. Right? You notice this is an uptrend here, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. And so forth. Large trend line right here, boom. Like, how do mic go? What's the best time frame to trade candle? Yeah, some of your mics on. You can mute it, please, now. Thanks. What is the best time frame to trade candlesticks? I usually look at remote. I just watch a monthly candle. Like how the market opening today. I will watch weekly. Last week, how it closed on some of the pairs and thing. I will watch that. Watch the daily. On a daily basis, I'll watch the daily close. Like that we call top-down analysis now. All right, but my entry time frame does be 4 hours and 50 minutes. But I just trade the momentum from the higher time frames now. So like how you see this uptrend here with the higher highs and higher lows, I will take this previous high here, mark it out, because I'm looking for the market to get support on that level there. Mark out a zone there, like I'll pull out a zone, I'll show you how to do that. Pull a zone straight across here, and the market come back down to this level, I'm looking for a bounce, right? A bounce off it, retest, and push back up, right? So, I catch you, yeah. It's real simple. You don't need to make you trading hard now, right? So I will share the link for this book. So I really want to go through this book, right? I can only give all the literature, but it's up to all, and I'll let her find the time to, devote some time to learning now. For all the betterment, right? Let's support some of them series and thing and taking our book now. Right? So I pull on up a chart here, AUD USD. Well, you see that?
And you don't have kids or
Somebody might still.
Yeah, you didn't right.
Somebody might still on.
Yeah, you stick with. Come. Yeah.
I even love this shot to see. This boy.
Along with everybody. Yeah.
That's all.
Sit down.
I'm muting her. All right. All right. Oh, no. I say no. Glad to hear. All these knows about. Can you mute everyone? All right. Yeah. I just mute some people there. All you hear me alone now? All good? All right. Nice. I just asked someone to be up me the first time I do this, right? So I'll build the confidence as we start to do it all the morning. Right? So here it is. Here we doing this, right? I'm sure let us start here. I doesn't get to see. I don't know why I doesn't see the chat. All right. Well, let's see that, right? Where is my chat going? I want to see it. Trying to find the chat earlier. I want to see the comments on there. All right, and now come up. All right. Nice. Well, let's see in this my chart, right? AD/USD. All right, nice. Well, let's see now how simple it is, right? Here's what you call our channel, downtrend. And our downtrend here, right? Now, usually when you join a trend line on our channel, it's just be one line. On our downtrend, it just be one line. But I use our channel because the market moving inside our channel, easy to identify. So you're going to want to buy and want to sell off at certain levels. Just get it right here. This little E here, you see, I don't use TradingView at all. I know some of you are using that. But I find this, I just like it simple now. I don't need all of them things of TradingView at offer. I use my brokerage MT4 and I trade that. Just pull my lines and I get to go. This chart disappear again. But this thing must go, right? All right. I don't understand. All right. All right. Well, let's see how simple it is. A simple channel. There's the daily chart. Pull my lines on a simple channel. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Watch out, I'm going to pull our zone here and show you. How simple it is. We just want to make it hard. There's the swing low here, right? On the daily. Right? Then we go down to the 4 hours. Move the whole channel. Let's see what's happening there on our 4 hour chart. That same zone I pull down our swing low. All you doing is select them so far that zone. You know it's not a downtrend. Right? Even if it push up like out here, so depending on where you have your stop loss, you won't get stop out. You might still be in the trade. If you do get stop out, you can always re-enter. Because it's back in the zone. Let's check this up here again. I feel like I'm one thing, I don't understand the zoom. Anybody can give me all the lessons how to use the zoom? All right. right? You're just marking zones and taking your trade off of them zones on them. Right now the market down here, right? This was the last swing high here, right? It swing high to this zone here. As the last swing high. Watch what happened, it hit that zone right there. It bounced off right. But we had some momentum coming up here. You see this big bullish, this daily candle here? Broke this high right here. Let's pull our next zone and show you. Right here, get a little bounce right here. And I'm going to show you where that come from, right? Come from here. But you see that pause there? That pause in the market. Oh, let's see it, right? You see this pause, or let's see the market here? This one day sells. Pull that straight across and watch what happening. You get some rejection here. It break through. That same zone. Going up to this last swing high. Retest here. And break and go on higher. And it break out of the channel right here, right? Retest it up at the channel and continue upwards. Right? So we're looking at zones here now where the market could react. Because you know it had to come back and test here before it continue up. Right? So you're watching all across there, watching these zones around here. That's the empty space. So you know we're looking for some continuation to the upside. Right? This area consolidation here is where you had to watch. See this area consolidation here? Watch how much days the market consolidate right here. You can get a bounce off of there and back down to the zone. And a possible consolidation inside here a bit. You see this is a premium price here because watch how much days the market stay right here. It consolidates here a bit and then break out again. Or back down the road. Alright? But the only time we're selling this is if it break this low. Or we buying continuation up here. A breakthrough, pull back, test and continue. Right? Tell me if I'm talking too fast, I'm only getting lost. Right? Nope, market check. So I could find it back. Alright. Shots, you will get it soon. Yes. I couldn't want to buy. Okay. Thanks, Catherine. Alright. Right, so Pagon and Goliath. Let's stay far from that. Right? What I'm looking at with AUD USD right now is this, right? This level right here. You see this level since the market break? I'm watching right here. I wait come day. 175. Right? That is zone I'm watching. But I want a little retest. A nice little pullback somewhere. I'd find support somewhere on one of them levels. Watch the size of that weekly candle. Reject, continue upwards, right? If you find support on the zone right here, you're looking to push this straight up the road to this level here. Are we looking for some reaction around here? This area will get some turbulence because you see no going on here. But this candle, right? That is the zone I'll leave out there. That is an important level to watch here. See with this candle, get a little push there. I don't watch the. This is how easy I just make my trading all there. I got time frame, weekly, come down on the daily. You see that my next zone right there? Bounce here, pull back to here, you might play in here a little bit, break out, touch my level right there, and push back down. Daily, 4 hours. Watch how you looking. Watch how everything break down for here. Well, you see how easy it is, right? All you need to do is mark out zones. Just mark out them the sort of indicators and all them kind of thing. That don't make sense. I don't see any sense in need to have indicators. Once you understand market structure, I don't even pay attention to news that much. News is just mute your mics. Mute your mic, please. Thank you. All right, let me see if I can do it for myself. All right. Hey, Rian Allen. Hit the mics, please. Thank you. All right. All right. All you understand how simple this thing is, right? It's real simple. We shouldn't try to be complicating this, right? Once you understand support resistance, which is this we shown all here, we are shown all here. Trend line, which is this is our downtrend right here. Watch how easy, watch how simple looking. All you need is 2 or 3 points. So these 2 bounces here, right? 1, 2, 3, right? If I just cleaning this up, right? If I just pull a little line right here, these 3 points here, and extend it out, right? Watch what happen. You know, the market not perfect, so you know you go get some of them go lap over and thing a little bit, right? But I extend the line out here for watch what going. And this is our daily chart, eh? Watch how much days as sells we had from the top here. As you see rejection like this, sell. Bearish engulfment, sell. Oh, this was the unique one. Well, I would not really get catch up because I this candle. This strength. See this momentum here? Up here you can see where the market start to lose momentum and then fall. Areas where it fall, it start to lose momentum. This was the next one people that might get fake too. Right here. Look for a continuation upward. Then this one, back down here. Right? And then again, we can do the same thing at the bottom here to get some buys. Let's look for these 3 points here. What's these 3 points here? The market bounce and extend it. Higher time frame we using, huh? Daily, weekly. You don't really have to watch monthly too much. Like every other month, when the new month start, you take a look at the previous month and see what it was. Right? So like when you watch AD USD previous month, what happened there? You had some sales here. But when the month started, this month started, you know, we had this little wick here. When this month started, it never went lower than the close at the month. Right, let me see if I can find some zones here and show you. Right? We watch to the left here. What's going on here? Oh, that is real fire, but it's important price level. You see this big wick here that was created? I'm going to pull the zone straight across and show you how important our level is. Monthly. You see what happened? You must get reaction on them zones because of what happened before. Right? It bounced off right and take off one time. Well, let's see how going on there. We scale down on the time frame. Weekly, daily. Right? When you see all these days, the market is bouncing here. And then you see this big push up. That alone should tell you something. Look for support and buy or fight. Alright? Scale along the time frame and show you again how easy it is. How you call top-down analysis. You look for zones, higher time frame, mark it out, and you just trade the reaction of the zones. Alright? I can show you again my USD JPY. I show you where's our downtrend already. All I understand is our downtrend, right? And how to let's see if I can open my chat here. Just refresh it to me. Yeah, what I'll do. I'll stop sharing the chat and I'll just go back and thing, right? Yes, right. Oh, yes. All right. So I understand the zones and the downtrend. I now see the chat something now. So, right? Yes. All right. All right. Let me look at USD JPY. All right. What's your USDJPY doing? You see this level here? Watch how much time we reject that level in. Alright? Not supposed to be using lines, they're really supposed to be using zones. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a zone to work with. Alright? I'm gonna use this candle here, this big candle. See what's going on here? Seen candles. Alright. Don't like too much information. I'm gonna break down this. Last time the market fall was here. Right? This was the last bullish candle here before we get a drop. This one actually. Right? Last no certain momentum, and then we get a fall, right? Now we scale down weekly. See what happening? Shifts. See what happening on the weekly? Break past our level, pull back and test it. On support here. This was the last swing high and then had a pull back here. It finds support here now. Right? Weekly. Like go down to the daily. Watch how the daily looking. Well, if you just go and continue downwards, well, if find this looking bearish still. Alright, no problems. See no message on my day. Right? I wouldn't take no sells on this yet till I see this low get taken out here. I'll take out this low. Yeah. Take out this low and continue down for me to take this trade. Alright? Watch how the forwards looking. With that same zone I pull off at the monthly. Alright? And watch how far I pull that zone from. Alright? This was December last year. December 2017. Alright? First of December, that month. Like where I pull that zone from. Alright? And watch how the market reacted to it almost a year after. Right? That is how simple trading is. Get a nice bounce up here and continue upwards. See, we getting the momentum dying down here. See this little wick here? Okay, nothing want to pop up on my screen now. Well. See this little wick here? Only start right till I take in the sell is if it had to break this low. Other than that, I still holding this as bullish. I will continue selling this. It had to break some more levels soon. Alright? Let's trade 1 hour charts. I don't go this low unless 15 minutes is my entry time frame. Watch your 15 minutes you're looking. Alright, and you can pull zones on the 15 minutes also. You can do the same thing down here. Just for entry sake now. In the direction that the market going, right? So the last big drop was here. I will take it from this is the last bullish candle on this pullback here. I will mark out here so. And watch you see how the market reacted. Alright? If I had to take an entry on this, like we put pending orders, I'd have put one above this look here, I buy stop here. And have my sell underneath this one here. Pending order. Righty. Whichever direction it push, catch it. I know this is your first level I watching to take my profit. Right here. Actually here. This is the lowest point. Taking profit righty. That is about 35 25 and 15, 40 pips. Right. Anytime it bust past it, I'm gonna be able to. Right. Sorry about that. All right, Rockstar. Sergeant. Quiet boy. Say something for a few minutes now, please. Unmute yourself and say something now. Share my screen. Yeah, share your screen, share your screen. I had to stop sharing my own. All right. I'm coming off. See if you can get to do it now.
You all see my screen? Hello, everybody. See my screen? Anybody see my screen? Everybody see my screen?
I just start working better on your thing, boy. I see chat coming up nice on your thing, boy.
You know that? Right. Well, I'm Rockstar. Let's be looking at some opportunities.
The Rockstar guy.
Yeah, the Rockstar guy, Rocky. Right. I'm in your face, Rocky. Yeah, anyway. I'll just be looking at some opportunities. I like to trade. I have a passion for trading, so I just look at one or two opportunities I'll follow in. This is the pairs I focus on. It's quite a lot, but I know what I'm looking for when it comes to entries and all that, and momentum and all these things, right? So I know what I'm looking for, right? So though I really like this euro. You all see my screen, right?
Yeah, we've seen it.
Yeah, I really like the euro right now because if you go on the weekly chart, I don't want to be too complicated for anyone, but this is how I trade, right? I just talk to myself when I trade them as well. So you could see the market; it had an uptrend, right? It's about retail head and shoulders pattern here. You see the shoulder, head, and a retarded right shoulder, right? So it's indicating that the market could probably go down because our head and shoulder is a trend reversal pattern because this was an uptrend, and is a trend reversal pattern. So this could possibly be possibly head and shoulder because the neckline is somewhere around here. So, right? It's have a lot of. Let me see what we're going with the daily charts. Right. I'm a very clean, concise trader. Right. You see my chart, right? You see this was support here. This morning star formation. You see the morning star formation. Morning star. Right. We got double wave up. Somebody had to mute this stuff, Jed. It's hurting my head, boy.
I'm gonna see who on mute you. I'm gonna mute them.
Yeah, mute them. I heard it. Real hurt up my freaking hurts up my head, boy. Shit. Like the falling or something. Psyche Joshua. Who's Psyche Joshua?